What's up guys, it's Mastercard. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing comparison of the camera of the Camon CX and the iPhone 7. So now I'm using the front camera, and just watch out for that microphone sign to know which audio I'm using. So you just look on the screen and you're going to know which audio I'm using. So now this is the camera. The Camon CX is 13 megapixel, while the iPhone 7 is 8 megapixel. So you can determine by yourself which gives you better quality. Now I'm walking, so I'm just gonna be, let me run a bit to see. Yeah, so now we're going to switch to the back camera. So now here is the back camera. We're using the back camera, so you can see I kind of like the colors on the iPhone 7. It kind of looks more real. Note that the iPhone 7 has optical image stabilization, so yeah, it's gonna be less shaky than the Camon CX. So I'm walking now. Let me try to run. Yeah, you can see the difference. Take a look at those trees there. You can see the iPhone 7. I think the Camon CX actually has kind of a longer range. If you can see, it covers more, has more cloud. Let's zoom. Here's another location, and looking at the video of the Camon CM, you can see that the colors are much saturated on the Camon CM. Now here we're testing the range of both cameras. You can see that the TECNO Camon CM has more range, and looking at the clouds, it's a bit washed out, has more details on the iPhone 7. Zooming in, you can see that iPhone gives more details of the edges of those triangles. Now in indoor lighting, we're testing the autofocus on the Camon CM and the iPhone 7. We can see that it's fast on the Camon CM and the colors are sharp, and also on the iPhone 7 it's fast and the colors are great. That's all for videos. Before we move on to pictures, let's just quickly take a look at the specs of both cameras. The Camon CM has a 13 megapixel camera on the front with f2.0 aperture, while the iPhone 7 has a 7 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. On the back, the Camon CM has a 13 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture, while the iPhone 7 has a 12 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, but with optical image stabilization. Now moving to the pictures, you can see that this picture of the fire hydrant on the looks really saturated on the Camon CM compared to the iPhone. The red is brighter, and the green on the grass is actually greener, and it doesn't look really real or natural. Also, you can see that the details on the iPhone 7 are more, so there are more details on the iPhone 7 than on the Camon CM. Zooming in, you can see what I'm talking about. The depths are more visible on the iPhone 7 and the edges are properly outlined, while the grass and the asphalt look really natural on the iPhone. One thing I like about this picture on the Camon CM is that the blacks are blacker and really bold. So with this picture, I'll go with the Camon CM. Again, the Camon CM is still more saturated, and the clouds are more visible on the iPhone 7, and the image of the iPhone 7 is a bit brighter. So it boils down to personal preference and your choice of image, but I will go with the picture of the iPhone 7. Now to selfie. Before I pick the picture of the Camon CM, I'd just like to say that the sky is kind of washed out compared to the iPhone. While my face looks really great on the Camon CM, the iPhone looks really blur. With the front-facing flash, the Camon CM actually does a better job in providing a good image of the subject. Let me just say that I've seen and I've taken better pictures with iPhone 7, but with this test, I'll go with the Camon CM. Now, to the main picture. I posted this picture on Twitter and there were a lot of comments, but let me give you guys a brief background of this picture. Both images were taken at the same time and it was in the evening where the sun was down. So what the image is supposed to look like is what it looks like on the iPhone 7 with the blue skies, and it will be looking a little bit dark. But the Camon CM actually just changed the image and it looks like it was taken in the daytime. The Camon CM totally washed out the sky, but I'm not saying the image is bad. The image is still dope, so it comes down to your personal preference and what you like. In indoor lighting, both the Camon CM and the iPhone 7 does great. Now in low lighting situation, both images look lovely, and it comes down to your personal preference and what you like. But I like coffee, as you can see in the image. Here also, both images look great, but I like more light, so I pick the iPhone. That's it, guys. Here's my comprehensive comparison of the camera of the iPhone 7 and the Camon CM. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, drop your comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I am Mastercard. See ya.